Okay, so today I'm not exactly sure why I'm feeling confident, but we'll just see how it goes. This is a gold D9. It's just the cutest little brown dimple lock you ever did see. It's got three rows on three different sides. So, on key goes in either way. It's the same mirrored, so this top row is what's going to be read by the right side. This top edge gets read by the top pins here, and then this top row gets read by the left side. Three pins on each, so it's the same, either way. Yeah, we'll see how it goes though. I really like the feel of it though. It has really nice, like, crisp feedback. I wish I was better at interpreting it, but I can tell it's clear. It feels like goal locks always have a clarity to them that other locks don't always have. So I do really like how they feel, even if I'm not extra good at picking them. Had a pointy pick last time. Feeling okay. This is the first attempt, by the way, fully pinned. So my first hope is just to clear some of these pins out of the way a little bit so I can make a little room for the top pins, but I don't know if that's going to work. So far it's feeling pretty good. I don't know of a spot that I've definitively messed up yet, which is always good. Oh, yeah. Man, that's so cool. All right. We did it. Oh, cool. And this will always be the one video that I was like, man, I meant to clip my fingernails beforehand. But whatever. Hey, that was a good one. I don't know what it was. I just had a feeling. I was progging this, just putting fewer pins in at a time. If you're not familiar with the term, fewer pins than fully loaded. So I was progging this, had 2 pins, 2 pins, 2 pins, and it was still kind of inconsistent, but man, for whatever reason, I just had a feeling that one's a good one. That was a good open. All right, let's cut this mamma jamma. Let's see. It has some pretty scary key pins, and I am prone to oversetting, so I was assuming that I was going to run into difficulty with those, but I'm glad I didn't. All right. These are, you can see inside. You can't because it's blurry. Inside, it's got the cupped drivers, right where the springs sit. They kind of nestle in there. I'll show you that up close. Yeah, so there's a, come on, a little cup on the top there. Oh yeah, that's a blister from my ring. Daughter took me to one of those trampoline parks, and yeah, that's the evidence of being kind of too old for that. Again, the cups in the drivers, just showing they're not installed upside down or anything. And I've got some weird organization going on here. Left, top, whatever. Right, I guess. And I know that the laying out the pins feels backwards, but makes sense to me. So pin 1 being on the right here, because that's how I'm always holding the key. I'm picking it with this side, I'm entering from this side, so I don't know, whatever. We'll get into that in another video. Here, you can see the spools, little cupped drivers. Okay. Well, do a little close up here on these pins. This, what is it? Oh, this one's upside down. But some of these, especially on the top here, I was a little bit scared of some of these with like the multiple sort of ridges. But you know, I'm known for chasing clicks, and that's those aren't good clicks at that point. So, well, that's it. All right. Thanks. Have a good one.